this is Neil from Exploration Gadget. Today we will be reviewing this titanium camping coffee maker. It's very lightweight. Inside it's a stainless steel French press filter. So let's get started. This is the mini camping stove. Very handy. Way less than 10 ounce. Fit in palm of your hand. So all you have to do is spread it out like this and connect it to an E47. You also have a ignition starter, so just press it. The spark will be coming out from here, and this knob right here is to adjust the propane level for how high of a heat you want to boil the water. So let's try it out. Nice and tight. And this is the legs where you just pop it out like this. Okay. This pot holds up to around probably 700 milliliter water, but it has marking up to 500 milliliter. And just sit back, let the water boil. Down and turn off the stove. This is some ground coffee that I prepared earlier in the day, so all I do is just pour it in. Just pour in the coffee. Let the coffee sit in this pot for roughly maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'm going to press down this filter to press out all the ground. The easiest way to do it is to hold this pot with one hand for stability and press this knob down with the other hand. Just press slowly, no need to rush. Okay, that's about it. Okay, as you can see, the coffee is extremely smooth. There's no grounds inside. And look at that, steam is coming up. Very aromatic. Tastes very good. And if you like to, you don't need to use this burner. You can just hang it on a campfire like this and have it cook the coffee. Easy to use. And I will show you how to clean this pot in a few simple steps. This filter, this knob, all you have to do is just twist it counterclockwise. Okay, comes right off. Take it out, rinse it. Okay, good as new. And reuse it next time. Pull it out. Nice and clean. Takes about a minute to clean the pot and the filter. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Neil logging off.